Hello everyone, this is Musharraf from FormBold. So what is FormBold? So FormBold is a powerful form API and serverless form backend solution that works anywhere. I mean all sort of hosting platforms and frameworks libraries. So you can receive the web form notification and data via email and as well as Slack, Telegram, Notion and other apps and integrations. So the main goal of FormBold is making any kind of static waveform dynamic and fully working. So let's get started how to use it and by following the documentation. So we explained everything in very simple way like TLDR. So how to get started, it's quick start. So first of all you need to log in and create a form, and then you will get a endpoint URL of individual form, and then you have to paste the endpoint URL under action as value. You have to make sure it's the method of this form is post. So we have a code example here, you can see that here is the form unique ID you will get from your form. So and then save the code of form and done. So this is TLDR. So first of all you need to log in, then okay, so I already have an account, so I have to create a form, right? So I'm creating a dummy font like XYZ, and that's it, and then create form. So form has been created. So if I click on the form, then I will get the unique ID of the form endpoint URL. So I will copy it. So I will actually integrate the form on a static template that we have. The procedure is same for all sites, so you can of course follow the same way to integrate on your own site or template or any static sites. So let's get started. So we are using Go Startup Tailwind template to show how FormBold works. It is available on UI deck. So it has a nice contact section, contact form section, so we can actually use it to show the FormBold in action. So let's get started. So we already opened the template code on VS Code, so it's index.html file, and we have copied the endpoint URL, and now we will paste it on action as a value, and make sure it's the method of the form is post and there is a form tag. Okay, so yeah, so now we just done that. So see, so simple, just pasted the endpoint URL. So we will test now the form if it works or not. So I'm submitting the form. See, wow, so it works. So it's showing at thank you page. So let's see if we can see the submission on submission page. Yeah, the statistics showing there is a one submission, and here is the data. So yeah, you can see the submission data from your account as well. So we should get an email notification as well. So let's open the inbox. So see, so here is the FormBold email that I received one submission, and it's also showing with the data. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and this is the way you can integrate FormBold API on any kind of static sites. And thank you for watching, and thanks for your attention.